Alright, you guys. Yeah, I'm finna go make a purchase at the Apple Store. Actually, not the Apple Store. I'm gonna go to the Apple Store inside Best Buy. But same thing, you know what I mean. So I'm going to pick up a new Apple item. If you saw the title, you already know what it is. So I'm going to pick up a new MacBook Air. Now, I went back and forth on this decision for a very long time. I was weighing my options against the MacBook Pro. Now, I don't want the MacBook Pro that I purchased early last year. Like, I got the 2018 15-inch, fully spec'd out i9 last year, and I had issues with that. And we're gonna talk about it while we get out, you know what I'm saying? So let's get up out of here. Wait. Okay, so the bank is gonna be the first stop. I gotta slide by there and pull out a little cash, you know what I'm saying? Not a lot, you know, just a little bit, a little smidgy bit, cause you know, Apple products cost big paper. And I'm gonna slide the Best Buy, I'm gonna get a price match, you know what I'm saying? Does the Apple Store do price match? Somebody let me know. I need to know this. I need to know these things. You try to run in right now, man. Hopefully I can do everything I need to do in an hour. I'm going to Best Buy, and I'm also want to slide by the Apple Store. I ain't gonna tell you what I'm getting from there, but I'm sliding by the Apple Store. Man, there's ice everywhere. Ice all on the ground. I was ice skating in my Jordans earlier. It's crazy, man. All right, we just wrapped up the bank, and I tweeted out on my way to the Apple Store, and Viper hit me like, "What you doing? It's a secret." Now the price match is only gonna save me $60, but that's $60 more that I can invest in another product, which is I'm picking up a second product for the channel as well. I mean, for me and the channel, you know what I mean? So you gotta always, you know, they say the rich are cheap, or however you wanna put it. No, they just value money and being able to put it in other items that can bring back more money. So in order to do reviews and things, I gotta have product. Now, some product I'm lucky to get. Hey, any company that's ever sent me product, or is sending me product, or will send me product, thank you in advance. But you know, I gotta put a little something into the channel in order to get it back. Okay, so we are here, baby. We are at the let me get it on the camera, baby. We are at the infamous Best Buy, overexposed Best Buy. I'm finna run up in here, you know what I mean, slide up with the goods, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna see if they're gonna do the price match. If they don't do the price match, I might as well take my full-on business all the way to Apple, because I'm going there anyway. But yeah, let's get this price match popping. I'm out. It's about to be lit. Oh boy.
Man, it was flashing lights, music, and moving foundations. I'm painting a picture with these words and these narrations. I wonder if it's 10, hopefully I get an invitation. And shout out to New Mobile.
But as you can see, baby, MacBook Air on full deck. Hey, look, we about to throw this up in the trunk, because I gotta go to the Apple Store. You know, don't look at my trunk. All right, Best Buy's done. Now let's shoot over to the Apple Store, baby, and pick up one more Apple product. Hey, shout out to Best Buy for the price match, you know what I'm saying? They price matched me, and I'm an Elite Plus member, which means I get up to 45 days to return this bad boy, which is part of the reason why I went with Best Buy, because if this MacBook Air does not live up to what I'm hoping it does for me, I really liked it playing with it inside of the store. Then, you know, I got 45 days to return this bad boy if it does not live up to exactly what I needed to. So that's another reason why I went and got my Apple product via Best Buy. Look, Apple, let me tell you something, player. I like y'all store, and I love your customer service. This is why I'm going to the Apple Store right now to get this other product. But you know, you guys have a pretty, you guys got a fair return policy. I'm gonna keep it honest, but it's a very tight window, and I know why you do that. You know what I'm saying? But take notes from Best Buy. Especially, you should create like a rewards member program, because people like me who spend a lot of money. Now, I spend a lot of money, player. You know what I'm saying? Reward me. Now, I'm an Elite Plus member because I spend big money with Best Buy. and I just spent some more big money. I'm keeping my Elite Plus membership. Especially with that purchase, I should be good for the next year or two. But yeah. All right, off to the Apple Store. I'm sorry, I know I'm chit-chatting, rapping, blah, that's what I do. Woo! All right, we just got out the back cave, you know what I'm saying? Now it's time to get home. I was gonna stop by Whole Foods, but I don't feel like stopping anywhere. I only got so much time. I got content to create, you know. I gotta be mindful of my time. You feel me? The content has been picked up. Now it's time to turn that content into content. So now I am on my way home to sit in front of the big camera and talk to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna end it, man. All right, so it's time for us to get inside of this bad boy. UPS truck, but it ain't for me, man. That's why you see me in my neck snap, because you know I'm trained when the UPS truck come, you know, you gotta check and see what's popping. But anyways, as you can see, in His glory, you know what I'm saying, the wonderful, what in the feezy? Nah, I'm just joking. All right, man, let's get inside of this bad boy. Let's do it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get inside of this bad boy. I am ready to open this up. I'm super hype about it, you know what I mean? We'll set this off to the side for later. But yeah, so let's do the infamous. Woo! Boom. There it is. There it is. There it is, the golden. Now, I will admit that this has more of a rose gold tone to it, which I'm totally fine with, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I got swag, you know what I mean? I just want something different. Like, I don't want the typical space gray silver Apple layout. I want to rock with something different. This has that rose gold feel. You know, obviously, I like the gold that Apple brings to the table. I mean, obviously, I like gold. Gold, you know what I mean? Gold is my favorite metal. Like if I'm gonna wear a metal or deal with a metal of some sort, a golden tone to it is awesome. So I got these two right here. They popping off. Like right now at this angle and this lighting, especially from my point of view, these two are looking like a match made in heaven. So, oh, and we get the golden Apple stickers in here. We're clowning right now. Let's go ahead and get that. Now, I will tell you guys, coming to the decision on the MacBook Air was tough because, you know, I am a pro user, and it just cuts right on. You already know how Apple do it, you know. Let's close that real quick. Hold on 1 second. Woo! So as you can see, baby, gold on gold on gold right there. Look at that. Oh, it's a nice match. Match made in heaven. We're not gonna get that. The main language. Hold up, player. Did nobody tell Siri to holler at me real quick? Hold up, Siri. Hold on just a second. So let's get this set up. Y'all already know the typical setup of a Mac thing. I don't think y'all wanna see me setting it up. I will probably show you, you know, me hitting a little thumb on the fingerprint sensor because we got a fingerprint. We got a fingerprint, boy. Anyways, so this is like, you know, the latest keyboard and so forth. And I had my woes and issues with the 2018 MacBook Pro, so I didn't want to do that. And getting a 2017 MacBook Pro, although it is the same price, to me it didn't make sense to go back in time. I'm moving forward. I want the latest and the greatest, and as shallow and nonsensical as that could sound, it makes sense. Trust me, it makes sense. So, yeah, let's get this bad boy set up. Woo! As you can see, guys, Mojave in full effect. We got the MacBook Air all set up and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what they got. Oh, they already got all my emails hooked up. Hey, man, see, that's what I'm talking about, man. Apple and the seamless setup is always A1. I absolutely love it. Oh, yeah, I got to set up my trackpad. That's one of the first things I do when I get a Mac is I set up my trackpad for the tap. I don't like having to push. Tap to click. This right here. Come on, focus. Tap to click. This is a must. I absolutely love this. I use this all the time. So now, when I get ready to close something, I just gotta tap and it's done. Win-win. All right, man. So let me hop in front of the camera and talk to you guys. All right, so I just wanted to break down to you what this real life tech series is all about. This is more real life and tech. This is more the real me when I get tech, not just the polished hey, let's sit down and talk. Although I show my real authentic emotion and enthusiasm in that, like I just kind of want to show you me going about the process of going to pick things up, even the process of using things. So that's what this real life tech series is. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. I got series on series coming this year. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build some things. Now, making YouTube is not gone. It's just I'm revamping it a little, you know, keep that on hush. Anyways, yeah, see ya.